Now welcome back my dear class 12 student. This is a class of accountancy and we are going through the chapter issue of debenture. Now in last class I have discussed about whenever you issue the debentures, what of the journal entries you have to pass. We can issue debentures in a lot, that is total value of the debentures you can call for a one time, that is application and allotment can make in one time, that is called lump sum issue of debentures. And again you can issue like the issue of shares, similar to that is different installment, that is from first stage through application money, then there is a allotment, then there is a call money. So different installment. Another thing, and different cases also, that is you can issue the debentures in at par, at premium. Even the new thing is, that is I discussed in last classes, that is at discount also. Share cannot, you can issue in a discount, but debenture can be. Okay. Now what will be the different entry for at par or at premium, at discount, that is also I discussed in last classes. And through with that I also discuss in case of without cash consideration, means when you are take over a business, in that case how will issue a debenture. So and whatever the journal entry you have to pass through some taking some numerical example, we actually done all those things. Okay. Now today we'll actually discuss a practical problem, that is actually this practical problem generally comes in your CBSE exam, that is CBSE board exam actually. So but this problem is related with without cash consideration or issue of debenture for consideration other than cash. Okay. Now first we take an example and we'll solve it. First we take example of a practical problem. Now suppose, and this actually comes in the CBSE exam 2018, so not very far away, that is very recent actually, 2018, just 2 years before. So Venus Limited took over assets rupees 10 lakh and liabilities of rupees 1,80,000 of Keynes Limited for rupees 7,60,000. Venus Limited issued 9% debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 5% of 5% in full satisfaction. In full satisfaction of the purchase consideration of the purchase consideration in favor of Keynes Limited. Keynes Limited. Now, first necessary journal entries in the books of Venus Limited for the above transaction. So, Venus Limited is a company took over asset rupees 10 lakh and liabilities also, that is 1,80,000 of Keynes Limited, another company, that is Keynes Limited asset took over by this Venus Limited, asset value is 10 lakh and liabilities is 1,80,000 for rupees 7,60,000. But whatever the debenture they issue, the value of debenture they issue will be 7,60,000. That is the purchase consideration. Okay. Now Venus Limited issue 9% debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount. Now here actually they issue the debenture at a discount of 5%, means so there is, if the value of one debenture is rupees 100, that is the nominal value, and they issue the discount, issue the debentures actually at a discount actually, then what will be the value? That will be 95, because there is a 5 rupees. The price, whatever the debenture they issued, will be the 5 rupees less than their actual value, that is nominal value, in full satisfaction of the purchase consideration. Now total purchase consideration 7,60,000. They issue whatever the debenture needed at a discounted price, that is rupees 95, so the nominal value is 100 in favor of Keynes Limited. Now pass journal entries, necessary journal entries you have to pass in the books of Venus Limited, because Venus Limited actually takes over the company. Which company? That is Keynes Limited. Now whatever the journal you have to pass. Now start. Okay. Now last I discussed about these things also, that is when you issue the debentures for without cash consideration, whenever you are actually took over some business concern but without cash. Okay. Whenever we took over the business organization, in case of share also, we have seen that we actually give some shares. Okay, but in that case, we are giving the debentures instead of cash. So now, pass the journal entries. Whatever journal entries you have to pass. Now see. you know the format of the journal. I am not actually making the format. Still you know there is a date. First you should write Books of Venus Limited. Now, Books of Venus Limited. Okay. Journal. Now in case of journal there is a date, there is a particulars and ledger folio and amount rupees and amount rupees and again amount rupees. One is debit, that is DR, and one is credit, that is CR. So you know the format. Okay, so that is the format. Now there is no date is given, so just first entry we are making, this is 1. What will be the first entry? That is, we are actually taking assets. So assets should be comes in our business. So sundry assets account debit, that is right in the debit side, that is 10 lakh rupees. Now two sundry liabilities. So sundry liabilities is actually liability of this company. So whenever we are taking the liabilities, that is our liabilities also. So we have to pay these liabilities. So that's why it will be credited to sundry liability. What is the amount? That is 1,80,000. Now to purchase consideration. Now we are doing the vendor. Here vendor is Keynes Limited. What is the purchase considerations? Keynes Limited. The purchase consideration is 7,60,000. 7,60,000. So we are giving the Keynes Limited actually 7,60,000. Now you can see, so total 10 lakh asset we are taking, and for that we are liability also taking 1,80,000. So if you differentiate, that is from 10 lakh to 1,80,000, what amount actually left? 8,20,000. Okay, but we are actually giving the value of debenture 7,60,000. So still there is a 60,000 we are giving less. So what for we are giving less of 60,000? This 60,000, but they agree with the amount, that is 7,60,000. But this, whatever the 60,000 less price we are giving, because we actually taking the assets 10 lakh, but and liability 1,80,000. So what is the net asset value? So from total asset to total liabilities, if you minus the total, from total asset, if you just deduct the total liabilities, net assets will become, and that is 8,20,000. But we are paying actually 7,60,000. Okay, so there is still 60,000 we are actually paying less amount. Because they agreed to take 7,60,000 through issue of debentures. So this 60,000, whatever they are not taking, the extra amount, that will be the capital reserve, because this is a non-business income. To capital reserve account, you have to transfer this profit to capital reserve account. That will be, you can take as a balancing figure also. That is a balancing figure. Okay, so that will be the 60,000. Now you can see debit equal to credit. Okay, business purchase from Keynes Limited, being What will be the narration you have to make? Business purchase from Keynes Limited. That will be the first entry you have to pass. Up to that, I hope there is no problem. So that is the sundry asset we have took over. That is the sundry liabilities we took over. That is the Keynes Limited we have to pay it. So that this we have credited it now. Whenever we paid, the Keynes Limited will be debited, and as we are actually giving the less amount, whatever the asset we actually took over, but we are paying the less amount as a purchase, actually issuing debenture in a less amount, so that we are actually, there is a profit we are making, and that profit we have to transfer to the capital reserve. Okay. In case of non-business profit, we always transfer the profit to the capital reserve. Okay. So this 60,000 is we are transferred to the capital reserve for the further use of any other cases. We know what is the capital reserve use. Now, what will be the second entry you have to pass? Now you have to issue the debentures. So as there is a shortage of place, so I am rubbing this. Second entry you have to pass, that is number 2. Now we have to debit the Keynes Limited. So Keynes Limited we have credited by 7,60,000. The same amount you should be debited. Purchase cost amount never be changed. Now here you can see in your practical problem, they said that Venus Limited issued 9% debentures. The debenture is a 9%. There is always a percent. This percentage actually signifies the interest rate. Okay. If this is a 10%, the interest will be 10%. If this is a 12%, the interest will be 12%. In that case, this is a 9%, means the interest rate, the coupon rate is a 9% for these debentures. So this is a 9% debenture, means this is the interest rate of this debenture is per annum will be 9%. So Venus Limited issue 9% debenture whose face value of rupees 100 each at a discount of 5% in full satisfaction. So full satisfaction means 7,60,000 value they issue through these debentures, but they issue at a discount, that is price of 95. Now in last class I already discussed about, in that case whatever the amount, whatever the number of debentures you issue, how actually you will get. I have already discussed how you reveal the number of debentures you issued in case of discount, in case of premium also, and if they actually issue the at par, so there is no need to know the actually whatever the number of debentures actually. Now how we will actually reveal? Now last class I discussed about number of debentures issued. How we will actually repeat again? I am writing here number of debentures issued. How we will reveal? Now there is a total purchase consideration is rupees 7,60,000, and the value of one debentures is, that is 95, not 100, because there is a 5% discount. So what is the number of debentures? That is 80,000. Okay. So we have to issue 80,000 debentures as a price of 95. So For 80,000 debentures, there is always 5 rupees loss is there, because actual value of the debenture is 100. Okay, suppose your price of a you are selling the mobile phone, and the price of mobile phone is 15,000, but you are selling your phone is a 10,000, as there is no demand of your this phone. So if you are losing 5,000, so in the same way here the price of the debenture is actually 100, but they are issuing as a 95. So there is a 5 rupees loss for each debenture. So there is 80,000 debentures. Okay. So what will be the price? Sorry, it will be the not 80,000, that will become 760, 95, 8,000 actually. Okay. Total is actually 8,000 debentures issuing by them. So here you just write discount on issue of debentures. Discount on issue of debenture. Actually this is a loss. Debenture that will be debited, and that is the amount, that is 8,000 multiplied by rupees 5, because rupees 5 is a discount price, that is 40,000. To 9% debenture account, to 9% debenture account. In that case, you have to always take the nominal value, that is 100 rupees. So 8,000 multiplied by rupees 100. In case of share, what is share capital? Share capital always be fixed. That is, the value of share capital is 10, you always credited the rupees 10. Here also you have to credited the, here the face nominal value or face value is 100, so you have to credited the 100, not 95. So 8,000 into 100, that is the 8 lakh. So you are issuing 8 lakh, and there is a loss of 40,000. And Case Limited you are giving 7,60,000. Okay. So that is the, so you can write also the narration, that is being 80,000, 8,000 9% debenture of 100 each issued at a discount of 5%. Okay. So that's the way you have to complete. So for today that is all. If there any problem, you can ask me the question. Otherwise I will that will be the end of the class for today. Thank you. There is no problem actually. Thank you.